just wanted to show you that I'm putting together another little fire kit to go in my bug out bag. Just so I have a spare one. It's going to be located somewhere else in my bag. That way if I lose one, you know, there's many situations where I could lose one. I've got a backup. So yeah, I just want to show you what I got in it real quick. First off, I got a knife key, which I can use for the ferro rod. Got a candle, some fatwood shavings, some jute twine, and this is one of my homemade slow burner matches I made. If you would like to see how that's made, I've got a video in. Got some aluminum foil. I've got a couple pieces of fatwood. We got some waterproof tinders. Got a striker. Nothing fancy, but it will work. I've got a couple regular matches. Got a few wax coated matches that I waterproofed myself. The wax scrapes right off. I also have a little light. This is just a little light, so if I need to see what I'm doing, fits nicely in there too as well. I'm going to be putting one of these in there too. It's just 3 matches wrapped in duct tape. Makes it easier to burn if it's windy. That's pretty nifty. Oh, but I think that's all I got in there. Well, no, got a wet fire too. That's all going to be in the kit. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Sorry it took so long to get another video out, but I hope you enjoy it. Getting it all tucked away nicely in there. Okay, it's all tucked away safely with my Ranger band, which is actually just an old bicycle tube I cut. Works awesome though. And then of course I got my main fire kit, which everybody's seen, or most of you have seen. If not, I have a video on that as well.